Good Thursday afternoon, everybody. Hey, Loren here from SuperShed of Sedalia, 7 miles south on 65, on the corner of Highway 65 and V Highway, 7 miles south of Sedalia. I'm going to kind of give you guys a little video of some of our buildings that we build, and that way you guys can kind of know. When you're looking around, you might remember us, and maybe you can go back to this video from time to time and kind of see some of the buildings we build. So let me just walk along here and give you some of them, or let you guys see some of them. Here's a new style we're making. It's got that little pop-out window, well, we call it a pop-up window actually, above the doors. It's kind of a neat feature that we're started doing. We do some of these buildings added something that you can add to it is the wainscoting, the different color halfway up. We can do this on the wood or metal. Some of these are what we call our economy buildings. They're smaller and they cost quite a bit less for some of those that just want. Wow, we got all kind of things going by out here. The little smaller buildings for those that just need a little small storage in the backyard. Kind of cute buildings. And then just go over here. Here's some more. Just all kind of shapes and sizes. We have about 16 different styles. Probably they start at 8 by 12 and can go up to a 16 by 40. So pretty big variety. A lot of people are making them into little tiny homes, putting them down at the lake for lake homes or little lake cabins. Some are even doing hunting cabins on their private land somewhere where they hunt all the time. It's just a lot of options that you can do and use. A lot of different configurations. We can kind of put windows and doors wherever you want them, change them up, switch them around, just a lot of different things. We build for about 45 dealers in the state of Missouri here at our shop, and sell from here also. I got a sales lot that I sell buildings from here on the corner of V and Highway 65. Like I said, 7 miles south of Sedalia, Missouri. My name is Loren. Phone number is 573-552-6455. Kinds of colors. Oh, I think we've got about as many colors as you can come up with in your mind. I think we have. Same way with, you can do metal. You can have metal roof, wood sides, or you could choose all metal. This might be a little shaky. I'm out here walking around on this gravel, rocks. We pull our buildings in and out of the shop all the time, so a little bit of it's not just real smooth out here, but that's all right. Wanted to give you guys a kind of a video of all kinds of different options and colors, and thought it'd be nice. So anyway, again, get a hold of me. My name is Loren. Number is 573-552-6455. Thanks, guys, and have a good weekend.